Hi students, today we are going to study about birds as we have finished amphibians and reptiles. Now, characteristics of birds. What do they have? Let's see together. Their body is covered with feather. As you see here, this is feather. They are very light. They have got tongues, and their tongues are very hard. If you pay attention, for example, if you have rooster at home, you can check it. Their body temperature is constant, and their body temperature does not change if the outside is cold or hot, warm. They don't have sweat gland, they can't sweat. They don't have teeth, as you see. Instead of teeth, they have got gizzard, which is filled with small stones, which can cut the food into small pieces, and sometimes they fill it with glasses, small stones, and hard pieces. They have got beak for cutting and here grinding the food, gizzard. They lay egg, all birds lay egg, and they have to make a nest for their babies. As you see here, the bird is flying, and it is easy for birds to fly, for most of them. Why? Because they have got wing, a pair of wing. They have got hollow means spongy and light bones, which makes their body very light and effective heart. They have got extra balloons, small balloons in their lungs, which gives them extra oxygen. They have got powerful chests, and their wings are connected to strong muscles. Their feather, as you see, covered the body and the skin. It protects bird from the different things, the skin, and it helps to fly, to cut the air and insulate, cover the body. As you see here, different birds, extra information. For example, ostrich is ground living bird that has got hard feet which can run, and strong feet which can run very fast. The other one, duck and geese, they have got, as you see, special feet or webbed feet that helps them to swim on the water very fast. As you see here, webbed feet. Another interesting facts about birds, as you see here, griffon vulture, they can fly very high. How much? For example, more than 11,000 meters. The other one, hobby swift, it can swift in the mid of the air. Swift means turn very fast. Hummingbird, small and beautiful and also very fast flying bird. It can fly backward and sidewards, 4 directions. Horned sangam, as you see, it's similar to hummingbird. It can move the wings 90 times per second. Also, it can. What about classification of birds? There are more than 9,000 species of birds today studied. They are classified in 4 groups. 1. Perching birds. Second one, water birds, birds of prey, and flightless birds. Perching, or the other name sitting birds, which mostly sit on the branch of tree, and they are more than 5.7 thousand species. Mostly they belong to songbirds like robins, cardinals, blue jays, pigeons, we have them in Tajikistan, crows, finches, and wrens, we have them in Tajikistan. The second group of the birds, they live on or near the water, like loons, ducks, seagulls, geese, herons. They have got, as you see, long feet for wading on the shallow water. And ducks, they have got, as we studied before, webbed feet for swimming better on the water. We have got duck, we have got seagulls, geese in Tajikistan. The next group of the birds, bird of prey, or the other name raptors. Examples include hawk, falcon. They are carnivore, it means meat eater. They have got powerful, sharp beaks and claws. Here beaks and claws are very powerful and very sharp. Wedge-tailed eagle of Australia, as you see, it has got very wide wingspan. It can be up to 2.5 meters. The next group of the birds, flightless birds. It can include penguins, ostriches, kiwi, and others. Ostrich, as you see, they run very fast, about 65 km per hour. As you see, they have got very powerful feet, muscles, and toes. Their eggs can weigh up to 1.4 kilograms. Flightless birds, as you know, also penguin. They have got white breast and black head. They eat fish, cuttlefish, crustaceans, and other small sea animals that live in the water. Kiwi, another kind of flightless bird. As you see, it is small enough. They are found in New Zealand. They can reach up to 50 centimeters long, and their eyes are poor, so they find their food with their nose. They can't fly, they don't have tail, and they don't have wings. That's why they are flightless bird. Dear students, here are some questions. Please answer them later. Thanks for watching. For today that's enough, and here is the homework. Please copy them to your notebooks.